it's me, Ethan. I'm back with another video. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe. So, today I'm waiting for a package. My tablet says One Stop Boy. Oh, I'm so excited to see what it is. Is it here? Let's go see.
Go, 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 go.
Whoa, that's a big package. Dave, can you help me get this package?
Yeah, I can help you. Oh yeah, it's a big one. Oh. Whoa.
Oh, that's really big. I'm so excited to build it.
You ready to get started?
Yes, let's get started.
All right, let's. Let's open it.
All right, guys, we're about to put my surprise together. Are you ready, David?
I'm ready. I'm ready.
Send it all in order.
Yeah. So first we're gonna start with these two pieces, okay?
So what are we doing first?
All right. Hold this one standing like this. And hold this one right here, okay? As I read the instructions, it says we need to get 4 screws. We need to get 4 screws and attach this piece. Okay.
So you want me to attach that piece?
Yeah, maybe we should lay it down.
Yeah.
Okay. What's the best way to do it? Actually, put this down real quick. Oh, sorry. Hold this. Can you hold this right here?
Yes.
Nice. Oh yeah.
Yeah. Guys, I love my new drawer. Thank you, Mommy.
You're welcome, Ethan.
And thank you, David, for having me build my drawer.
You're welcome, Ethan.
I'm so excited to put in my room. If you like my videos like this, make sure to subscribe and follow my Instagram address or Ethan.